Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Angie, and on my channel I like to do all things homemaking. Thank you for being with me today. Let's get into the video. Hey everyone, this is my first grocery haul of the year, and I just thought I'd share it with you. I've been taking some time to figure out kind of diet-wise and on YouTube where I want to go from here this year. And I've decided that I'm going to be changing my diet up a little bit and see how that works. Towards the end of last year, the keto diet wasn't really working for me anymore. And so I think I'm going to be going a little more like a paleo diet, just because I don't think that dairy for me and trying to maintain weight really works. During the end of last year, I wasn't really losing weight. It was hard for me to lose and maintain weight on keto, and I think part of that's all the dairy that's in it. So I'm gonna try to just cut most dairy out and instead have fruits and vegetables we like. I can't really see living keto as a lifestyle and not ever having any fruit and vegetables we want to have. So I'm gonna focus more on healthy eating, which would be mainly grain-free, almost dairy-free, sugar-free, because sugar for me causes a lot of inflammation and a lot of headaches and things, so I won't be having sugar. And I'll still be doing recipes and meal prep that will be paleo or keto combinations. It's just with keto, it was just becoming too much dairy for me, I think. And so I wanted to share with you the grocery haul that I did, because I'm going to be restocking everything. I have to go through my refrigerator and my pantry and just restock things. And so this is the first of the grocery haul that I got at Sam's Club and Publix. So I'm just gonna go over that with you. First, starting with what I got at Sam's Club. We like getting these Lara bars, and they have the chocolate chip cookie, they've got lemon, they have an apple one, an apple cinnamon, that's good, and then the peanut butter, and we like all of these. So we started getting these, and it's usually 2 flavors to a box. So those are our snacks. They don't have any sugar in them. It's just fruit, unsweetened chips and stuff, which I have done a diet like this before, and I felt a lot better, and I lost weight a lot quicker on that type of diet. And then they had some really good roasts that I was kind of hungry for, so I'm going to be doing this either in the crock pot or my Instant Pot. And then I got more ground beef. And then I got these pistachios, which I'm going to measure out and put in snack bags. I got snack bags while I was there so we could measure it out. And then these salmon fillets that are nice to have for lunches. Some coleslaw mix. And then I'm just gonna make my own dressing for it. Some green beans, which this I got at Publix. And the rest of this I got at Sam's Club. And then at Publix I got some of the Southwest corn. We're gonna have one night. And then at Publix they had this Birch Benders syrup, which I've never had their syrup before, but it was buy one get one free. I usually use the Chalk, I think it's the Chalk Zero brand, and I have to order it on Amazon, but I figured buy one get one free, I'll try this. So it was $7 and something for both of these. And then I'm gonna make more of that combat sauce. I've shared a recipe before in one of my videos, but it has chili sauce in it, and it has mayo, and it's kind of spicy, but it's really good for salads, like taco salads and stuff. I got some more cumin because I like making my own taco seasoning, and I wanted to make sure I had enough for that. This is a seasoning that I haven't tried yet. That looked kind of good at Sam's Club, so I grabbed that. It has horseradish in it. Some more of this chicken base stuff from Sam's Club. And then I got some cottage cheese because I've seen a lot of the creamy cottage cheese recipes on YouTube, so I thought I would try that where you blend it up and you make it creamy and you can add things to it. And then I got some lemons and some potatoes just for baking potatoes. And then I got these potato sticks because last time I did this diet, there was like a Mexican trail mix that I made that had these in it and peanuts in it, and it had taco seasoning, kind of like a party mix type thing. So I was gonna make that, and then I'm gonna make some egg cups using this baby spinach and some bacon and peppers and some of these tomatoes that I was gonna cut up and put in it. And then I also got some bananas because there's a paleo banana bread I want to try. And then these grapes just to snack on. And then of course eggs that we go through a lot of. These are the snack bags so we can measure out our snacks. And then of course Rayo's sauce. And then I'm stocking up on my Lily's chips. So I got one milk chocolate and semi-sweet. And then I needed to get some canola oil, or not canola, coconut oil. And I got some gluten-free pasta to try, which we don't have pasta every week, but it's nice to have sometimes. Before with keto, we used those, I think it's a type of mushroom pasta. But I figured we'd try this since we're not strictly low carb right now. And then I got some almond milk for baking, and then some grapefruit for breakfast, and some apples, and some sweet potatoes. Because for me, being on keto, it's really hard when you like fruit and vegetables, just not ever to have apples again or anything like that. So the goal is to eat healthy. And I found these sweet potato tortilla chips at Publix, and I think they were $2 something a bag, so I figured I'll try them because I like sweet potatoes. And corn products aren't really that good for you. And then I bought this ham, not realizing it was brown sugar ham. For some reason they had more of the sugared ham than the smoked ham, so I accidentally grabbed this, so I'm gonna have to exchange that. So that's the haul for now to get us started. And then when I go through my pantry, I'll see what needs to be restocked in there. I sort of went through it after Christmas, but not completely. That concludes today's video. Thanks for being here. If you're interested in following along with me, please give me a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.